Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
before you for welcoming all of you on this special occasion. As we know, today we gathered here to inaugurate session of Izzat Education First, Fly High. Today we got a special guest, Mariam Sumana, a true trailblazer in the aviation industry. As we know, she is just 19 years old, but she earned students and your insights and experience for sharing with us. And I deeply hurtful to invite our Honorable Principal Sir, whose vision is so helpful in the growth of Izzat Knowledge Campus. Sir, heartily welcome to the stage. And also, we have also a privilege to have Soumya Miss to inaugurate our session. And I would like to extend my gratitude to all my teachers and my dear students. Once again I welcome all of you. Thank you.
Fly High. Presiding actors, Honorable Principal Sir. Sir, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, assalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. respected chief guest of the day, Mariam Jumana, and the beloved parents, and my dear colleagues and dear students. I already interacted with you and I shared all the things what is going to happen in this session, and by considering the situation, the time of Jumana, I don't want to prolong my speech. Even though in front of Jumana, I would like to share a few things regarding the institution and the vision of institution. As you know, as I shared with you, here we are celebrating the 13th anniversary of Izzat Knowledge Campus, and it is located in a rural area. Even though till the journey, we have created a lot of leaders and legendary peoples. And right now we have a special mission and vision in 2030. So for that, we are motivating and encouraging the students. We are molding the students to create. At the end of this session, you people are going to feel in the taste and sweetness of achievements. Anyway, for the betterment and for us to get the soul, to understand the soul of this function, let me come to the Malayalam. Mariam Jumana. Let me come to the Malayalam. My dear students, ഇന്ന് ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം ഇവിടെ നടത്തുമ്പോൾ രണ്ട് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവാണ് പ്രധാനമായിട്ടുള്ളത്. സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ടും ഒന്ന്, നമ്മുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട മറിയം ജുമാനയെ നമ്മളൊന്ന് ആദരിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളത്. നിലവിൽ ഒരുപാട് ആദരങ്ങളും സ്വീകരണങ്ങളും വാങ്ങി നിൽക്കുന്നത് ജുമാനയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഈ സ്വീകരണം ഒരുപക്ഷെ അത്രമേൽ ഒരു ഇമ്പാക്റ്റോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത്രമേൽ ഒരു പുതിയ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസോ ആവില്ല. അത് നമുക്ക് ഉറപ്പാണ്. ഇതിനേക്കാളും വലിയ ഒരുപാട് ഇന്റർവ്യൂസും.
I don't know what to speak in this time. Sometimes emotion speaks louder than words. So, ഞാൻ ആ ഒരു മൊമെന്റിലാണ്, the emotions, I can't express my words. But I have to tell you one thing. We have got a wonderful, not by the words, by the experience and the actions, we have got a wonderful, not a guest, our own Mariam Jumana. Really, we are lucky to have and interact with her. So I think it's not the time for a long speech. You are eagerly waiting to interact with Mariam Jumana.